And Nona Peltier joins us in the studio to talk business. So, SkyCity, the casino operator, they are expecting to report solid first half earnings, you're telling me, but what's the trick? Even though bottom line is down?
Yeah, that's interesting. So depending on which numbers you look at, it's either up 11% or down 11%. And I'll tell you what the market thought, though. The market thought it was up 11% because the company's share price finished, quite strong today, up at 2.5%. So yes, the market reacted favorably to this guidance update. And what it is basically Sky City's first half net profit was actual profit is likely to be down on last year. But when they talk about normalized profit, which smooths out the win rate of the high rollers business, it's up 11%. So overall, we can expect good things from Sky's first half result. Second half is going to be a bit more challenging because they made quite a good result the year earlier. So we'll find out more about this on February 13th when they report.
So not that far away.
No,
okay, our trade deficit, it's widened to an 11-year high, you say?
Now that's an annual deficit. So yeah, 11-year high due to actually the sharp rise in fuel prices. But when you look at the month, it was a surplus, and that's because fuel prices eased back, and we can expect to see that to continue on through this year. We're expecting that deficit was probably as wide as it gets. 11-year high, it hit $5.9 billion, and that was the highest since October 2007. And that was also because we had a lot of imports, and again, that was the fuel prices flowing through into that. So yeah, interesting year. And of course, we talked about this yesterday with dairy prices. Production values are up, so we would expect the production to increase our overall exports over the coming months.
And what can you tell us about markets? What's been going on today?
Interesting. We weren't too bad earlier on, but things have changed for sure ever since the U.S. government Justice Department filed formal charges against a Huawei chief financial officer who's been held by Canada for extradition. So yeah, serious business there, and that really put a dark cloud over the talks that are going on between China and the United States over their trade deals. And so the market has really lost a lot of confidence there, and our market fell 1.2% today, a drop of 108 points to 9,006, and the Australian market was also down about 0.5%. Asia overall is looking pretty sad on it, really, so watch this space. And I guess the U.S. dollar, we're going to expect to hear more from the U.S. Federal Reserve this week on interest rates, and that was holding steady at 68.4 US cents, 95.4 Australian, and 52 British pence.
Thanks, Nona.